In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GTA 4 bug where only taxis appear everywhere after installing a mod. Check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down. Under Assets, select this Fusion Fix Offline Installer. Once this download done, click on Open it and select More Info and select Run Anyway option. Select Browse for another folder and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option and select the path we selected. Once this installation is completed, just close stuff here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location and open the plugins folder. Right click on the INI file and select edit in notepad. Just scroll down. Under budgeted IV vehicle budget, you need to type here 18012345678. After typing 8, 0 and 1, select file and select save option. Settings will be saved. Once this done, just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, you will no longer see the bug. As you can see, all different cores. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.